In order to obtain lung sounds, we only need a trained ear and a stethoscope. Starting from the top to the bottom, you'll listen along the front and the back of the torso, starting at one side and then moving to the other before you go any lower. This is to compare the two lungs to see if anything is unequal. At times, lungs can have unequal movement or unequal sounds, as well as different sounds at the top or the bottom. The whole time, you'll be listening for abnormal lung sounds, but what are even considered abnormal? So, abnormal lung sounds come in many different classes, but some of the basics are as follows. We have wheezes, diminished, ralls, rhonchi, or stridor. First off, wheezes are a high-pitched, almost musical noise caused by the narrowing of the passages of the airway, compounded sometimes by mucus. This lung sound can be heard most often with asthmatic patients. Diminished lung sounds are basically a worse form of that. It's when the airways have become so constricted that they're unable to move air effectively and you can't hear much at all.